Here I want to talk a little bit about a set of tools which I've got. This is specifically made for working on carburetors. I keep them all in here. First things first, if we remove this jet, we have an emulsion tube or needle jet. Beneath here it has multiple holes on either side. We'll show you that. And to get this out, it's made out of brass. So I have a driver which I made. It's turned on a lathe. This end unscrews, so it's replaceable. Also has a recess. Focus. A recess in the end, and that's to get the tube back into its position. So some of these guys, they get gummed up and you can't get them out very easily, and this helps drive it all the way out without too much of an issue. You need the same material or softer, otherwise you mar that particular area there. You don't want any of that happening. Also have got a spanner which I ground a little bit, which fits perfectly on my jets, so we can loosen and tighten the jets nicely. I have a wire brush tool. This is a strand of wire brush, and we're going to clean that emulsion tube with this because it has undulating surfaces, this wavy line here. It's very good with some carb cleaner to get those perfectly clean. And we'll show you that a little bit later. I also have a punch which is going to get the float bowl pinion or pivot pin out.